Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today is going to be another vlog type situation. Start off with this first assumption. One of the assumptions that you guys have of me is that I seem like an introvert. And the answer is yes, I really am. But I'm also like an introverted extrovert. So I'm very introverted, but I can also exhibit extrovert tendencies to the people that I'm around. But I guess that's the point of being an introvert, that you're not just loud with everyone. So yeah, I am an introvert. So I'm going to be taking you guys on my journey. I'm going to the movies now. I'm going to go watch Aladdin. Yeah, I changed coats. I didn't like my coat that I was wearing. I didn't want to wear a long coat, the cinema, stuff like that, you know, whatever. Someone said, your parents are rich, lol girl, I see your house. Wow, guys. Wow. So someone asked me, Unobata mkoma wedubo, which pretty much means you take care of our boy really well. I'd like to think I do. I don't know what other people think, but I think he's a very happy person. Yeah, I think I treat him very well.
You can't just record me without asking for my permission, right?
He seems happy to me.
Oh my god.
So someone asked me, why am I so tiny? The reason why I'm so tiny is because I was a premature baby, and yeah, since birth I've always been quite small. So yeah. Someone said you hardly ever get angry, and I would say that is false to a certain degree. I'm not an angry person, but I do have a very, very quick temper. So I'm quick. I don't know whether temper and anger are the same, but I do have a really quick temper, and it's gotten a lot better over the years. Ask the people around me. But yeah, I have a quick temper, but I don't get angry to the point where I yell at people and things like that. I'm also, I get annoyed, and then I just get into my shell, and that's it. You're courting, but you're not doing masofa in quotations. So for those of you who don't know what masofa is, in our church, Zioja Forward in Faith, masofa is a type of courting that we do. So in response to that, I'm not too sure what masofa means, but I do know that the pastors that we have are in agreement with the masofa that we're doing. Someone has an assumption, and they said that they think I'm a dark horse. Okay, I'll take that, sis, you know. Someone's assumption is that I don't have a lot of friends, but I have a few friends which are enough. Yeah, that is actually pretty true. I don't really have a lot of friends anymore. I do have a few friends, but those friends are family to me, and I would rather have friends that are like family to me than friends that are just friends. Someone else said you love to focus on work more than being with your friends. I prefer to be around people and to do things with people and to hang out with people than to be at work. But when it comes down to schoolwork, I will always prioritize my schoolwork because that's my life, that's my career. I will always prioritize that first over hanging out with friends. Someone said that I don't listen to secular music. For those of you wondering what this is, it's a charcoal clay mask. I really don't. Let me be 100% honest. I really don't listen to secular music like that. It's a very picky topic because I do listen to other artists as well that aren't necessarily Christian artists, but they are, you know, an artist, but they don't have vulgar words, they don't have, you know, booty. you know, all this. So I would say that I prefer to listen to music that's going to edify my spirit, and music that's going to grow me, and music that's not going to put a negative spirit or negative energy into me. Someone said, I'm assuming that you're not athletic. You don't like to be active. Wow. Funny thing, yeah. Actually, let me show you. These are all mine and a few from my brother, but majority of these are mine. So I did athletics. Yeah, to answer your question, I am athletic actually. I still go to the gym regularly. I like to keep a healthy body. I think it's one of the things that I really take very seriously, trying to make sure that, you know, my body is banging pretty much. I'm about to go to sleep and call it a night. Good morning. Happy Sunday. So someone, they said, I assume you were born with beautiful hair and beautiful skin. Thank you. That's a nice compliment, but I wasn't. I've never struggled with like intense acne or anything as a teenager or whatever, but yeah, I'm not, you know, I don't have perfect skin. My skin does go haywire, it does go crazy. As you guys can see here, I accidentally burnt myself with tea tree oil, and like I do have a few scars here because I only get sort of pimples within this area. But thank you, love the compliment, thank you. I wasn't always born with beautiful skin and beautiful hair.
Jesus, the anointed one of God, was both fully man and fully God. If he wasn't fully man, he couldn't have died on the cross. But if he wasn't fully God, he couldn't have died for our sins, he couldn't have resurrected and ascended. So he was both fully God and fully man.
So I just got to my next destination. I'm at church, another one of our churches except in Frankston. We're going to be doing youth here.
To masofa and they say no, that person isn't what is up to something.
So I just got home, I just parked, about to go inside the house and cook dinner. So someone said Antigonobika sadza, which essentially means I don't know how to cook sadza. That's their assumption. For those of you who don't know what sadza is a staple dish in the Zimbabwean diet, actually in the southern African diet. It's pretty much made out of millet meal. What's millet meal made out of? Wait. So this is what it's made out of. Maize meal. So it's pretty much maize. And yeah, this is what's in here. So the answer to the question is yes, I do know how to cook sadza. Last question. I've got a lot of these. They're all pretty much the same, but it's pretty much about being celibate. So the answer is yeah. I definitely recommend it. I mean, why not? At the end of the day, it's for your benefit and it's for your good, and God really respects when you sacrifice like that, and when you put him first and at the center of your relationship, and you say, you know what, we're going to put you first, and we're not going to do anything that's going to dishonor you and dishonor your temple that you have created, which is your body. I hope you guys have enjoyed this assumptions video. I will see you guys next week. Make sure to leave a comment down below on a few things that you've seen in the video and your thoughts. So yeah, I will see you guys next week. I love you guys so much. Mwah.